Child lock on my Bosch dishwasher flips on all the time. I insert the matchstick to lock off. When the wash cycle is done, it is locked again. It is getting more difficult to push the child lock lever to the off position also.
Hello, I can help you with this. Can you please confirm the brand and model? If you are referring to a mechanical lock that prevents the door from opening, then perhaps you have an Asko? Let me know and I can assist.
Model is G47C. Bosch. Lock is a lever. Directions say to slip in a matchstick, and this little lever presses back into a slot under the recess, which is grabbed to open the door.
Thankfully, I'm referencing that model right now. Do you have the rest of the model number? G47CXXXX/20. Not trying to be a pain, but most of the G47 series doesn't have child lock. To look up parts, I'd need the whole number. These are newer machines. How old is it?
Older machine 5 to 7 years. G47 Co 6 UC/38.
Thanks for the number. The latch part number is XXXXX. It can be purchased here. If you remove the large door panel with the 6 screws on the inside, you can then remove the top panel with the 6 upper screws. This will allow easy access to the latch. It sounds like you may need a new latch, but you could take it apart and see if the spring is off track. The part is really cheap, so you may just want to buy it.
Do you mean that I would open the door and take out all the screws, 3 on each side and 4 along the top equals 10? Then the stainless interior comes off. It looks like one piece. Is there something else inside that panel that I will take off to get to the latch? Is this easy?
I think that this is quite easy. It would take a service person about 15 minutes total repair. The outermost part of the door comes off with the 6 lowest screws on the inside of the door. Then the top panel comes off with the other side screws and the 4 up on the top. This will remove the whole top part that has the latch and control board on it. It would hang from the wires and you could then remove the latch. Of course, easy is relative, depending on your level of skill.
That part sound easy. Is this a type of screwdriver that I can find? It looks like a star and not a hex. I don't own that tool.
That type is commonly called a star drive and the correct size is T20. You could buy that at any hardware store. It's a more Europe standard, but becoming more so here every day. Cost you a couple bucks.
Thanks. Will you give me the part number again? I'm having a little trouble navigating on my iPad. I can't pull up the link. Then I will let you go. I appreciate your time. I will rate you as excellent.
The part number is XXXXX. You can find it on sarespartsdirect.com or appliancepartspros.com. Glad to be of service and feel free to post here if you have any trouble putting the new one in. Thanks for the positive review. Sam.
Thanks, Sam.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.